Yes. Yes. That's the message for 2021. And here I come with optimum love, chanting a dub for the Optimus Club. So I never forget my roots. Any man without any knowledge of his past is like a tree without roots. So we should never forget the reason why we are here tonight. The journey of 1,000 miles begins at one step. Broken child still a smiling at my one prep. Before you judge, listen my views. Can you take a walk in my shoe? In the heart of being a city, there's a place where the gunshots bark daily. Children are killed because they are the line of fire. Schools have to close when it gets too deadly. At the sound of the gun, the blind, the deaf, and the dumb have to run. True story. Me, the ghetto child, this flower growing wild. People always ask me why I never smile. What to smile about in this tenement yard? Forget that dinner money, Majah gamble tree a card. Grew up without mama kisses or hugs. Sold drugs for the dogs to buy myself a lungs. At nights, there was no place to rest my head. Sometimes I found shelter in a broken down shed. In the Omaall, I slept on the bag of sand. See, I was sinking, the one to hold my hand. Quickly going down, I couldn't turn my life around. Now you see my face, it wears a permanent frown. What am I to do after all I've been through? Can you take a walk in my shoe? What am I to do after all I've been through? Can you take a walk in my shoe? So can you walk in my shoe? And will you listen? Never let your address block your success. Trenchtown youth, 15 years old, weighed 80 pounds, malnourished, pure skin and bones. The system was stiff, my mind began to shift. Started to shoplift until I found I had a gift. Found I had a sound to use the microphone. Educate uptown about downtown. Like many before us, they try to ignore us, but they can never ignore my verses, my chorus. So I began to rise, hear me vocalize. Wolf in disguise with us and never socialize. The one you victimize, the one you criticize, the one you despise. They want to see my demise, refuse to hear my cries. Told me to stop my knives, but I opened up my eyes, opened up my eyes. Trenchtown youth, born to fly. The journey of 1,000 miles begins at one step. Broken child still a smiling, I'm a one prepper. Before you judge, listen my views. Can you take a walk in my shoe? So can you walk in my shoe? Will you listen to my cry? One day I reach my dream, born to fly. Until the ignoble and unjust people are rid from our community. Until our people are no longer respecters of money. Until conflict resolution is seriously taught in the inner city schools where it is needed most. Until then, everywhere is war. Blessings.
Produced by Soul Art and Becca.
Optimism at Christmas.